Hello, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beauty Food Chick, come along and I'll share the experience of being on YouTube for 2 years and counting. I have had my first video and a whole lot more. I have done videos with my nieces, my nephews. I have done series of healthy recipes. I have over 400 videos on my channel ranging from food, beauty. I have tutorials that are easy to follow. I have the easiest recipes for teas, for pasta, for skincare routine. If you're in your 40s and you do not know what to do with yourself, you are on the right channel. I will show you step by step, easy to follow tips and tricks for makeup that will end up enhancing your beauty and not masking you to what's the word now? Scarecrow or a masquerade. No. On my channel, just imagine that I am holding your hands and taking you through the process. I also delved into storytelling and content at the same time. This particular video was really fun for me. While I was creating it, you should check it out. And of course, I do loads and loads of shots, healthy juices, smoothies, and what have you. It's a channel that does food and beauty. Barriers Cosmetics is a brand that is dear to my heart, and I will show you at every opportunity how to use them. And I had a few collaborations and cooking and more, and of course Chef Ricardo. You Chef Ricardo. So guys, oh my goodness,
wow,
I met the amazing healthy chef Ricardo.
Detoxing the tummy and looking very nice and beautiful skin, beautiful complexion. You know the thing going, Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. Greetings. Alright, so today I'm going to be making you a fantastic.
So this is Chef Ricardo's mix.
Okay. Alright. You want to try that one? Or...
Okay, let me try Chef Ricardo's.
Okay. Let's see what's going on right here. If anything, hold on the first.
Oh my god. Check Chef Ricardo out.
Quick update. Awesome.
And while you're at that,
oops,
you may want to grab his book.
Awesome.
Dear human. It feels so good for YouTube to recognize me. To some of you, this may just be a light, but to me, hey, it's a recognition and a push to even do better. I must really appreciate all of you, especially you, for your support that has brought me this far. I also like to appreciate our YouTube short partner, Motso. That's for you, Motso. Motso is an amazing human. She just keeps pushing and pushing and pushing. she will encourage you. She'll be like, no, you can't give up. Just one more time. Try. Give it a try. One more time. Don't give up. Don't give up. You can do this. You can do this. So, Matsu, thank you. Thank you, YouTube Shots. Thank you, YouTube. I have had an amazing journey on YouTube, especially both the long form and the short form videos. And like I said, it's such a privilege and an honor to be recognized by YouTube. So let's unbox this light together. I am just so super excited for the recognition. So let's do this together. And while I unbox this, let's have some interlude in between. Enjoy. The light comes with remote control. It also comes with this tube that connects the light, the fuse, the socket. Honestly, it was so easy to put together. My gift actually came slightly open, so unfortunately I lost the card that is supposed to come with this package. But hey Matsu, hey YouTube, thank you so much. Let's see how this looks. I am so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see. Hold your breath. Oh my God, this is huge for me. This is just the beginning of bigger and greater things to come on this channel. I love you guys. Honestly, I do. I am just so super excited. All right, I'm out of your head. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much, humans. Like this video. Leave me a comment. Please like the video, please. Leave me a comment. Do not skip my adverts, please. That's how I make money on YouTube. I'll see you in my next video.